Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: battery levels, phone and app updates, and source volume set to 100%. Once done, pair the dime freshly, unpair and reconnect if needed. Make sure the Skullcandy app is open so you can access equalizer and firmware prompts. Also inspect physical fit. Poor seal reduces perceived loudness. Do these first steps now, because they remove common software and power limits before you move on to deeper adjustments and optimization. Next, you raise perceived volume by tuning settings and maintenance. Open the app and use the EQ to boost mid-range and presence rather than only bass, because mids carry vocal loudness. Then set your phone to the best Bluetooth codec available. That preserves dynamics. Clean the mesh gently with a dry brush and reseat the tip or use different tips to improve seal. Once done, test with a loudness normalized track so you hear real change, not compression differences. Finally, perform closing steps that solve lingering issues. Reset the dime following the manual, then repair. If volume still lags, test another phone or a portable DAC/amp via adapter to determine if the source is limiting output. Make sure no voice limiters or safety volume caps are enabled on the device. If you hear clipping or one bud quieter, reset again and update firmware. And if problems continue, contact Skullcandy support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.